How to download driver Lenovo ThinkPad P16v camera driver. So open any browsers to Google search box and then go to this URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is Lenovo official website. Download any device, any driver. Okay, of Lenovo product. Just right click to new tab. So you can see this is automatic update. So just you click to scan, software automatically detect you require driver. Okay, and just install. But if you have to install separately and facing some separate device to issue and install latest and oldest driver, so just click to driver, select the auto manual. Okay, after that you can see this the camera driver. Okay, and then you can see this is camera driver. Just click to download. Okay, after click download it will start automatically. You can see this one download in progress. Wait few seconds. When it's completed, I show you how to install. It's been done and just single click to setup. Then click to yes. Then okay, select the languages. Next, I accept. Next, install, select. Next and install. Then guys, you can see this driver install and then okay and then finish.